What's going on, family? For the people that's on, what's happening? What's happening? For the people that's on YouTube, what's good, family? We're gonna go through these Sunday morning markups. All right. Welcome to another episode of Sunday morning markups, family. Let's go. It's your boy, Mr. P, and we're gonna get right into it. First of all, if you have not taken advantage of the amenities, make sure you go to pimpinandeasy.com and take advantage of all this good stuff. And then we have a free channel. We only trade gold. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, family. We have a lot of amazing value on there. All right. Make sure you lock in with the best broker in the game. And also, we have our boot camp. Last year's boot camp was lit. We ended the year with a bang. A lot of value on this. It's all absolutely free. All you need to do is go to pimpinandeasy.com, get access to recordings, and it takes you straight to the recordings, right? All right. Whatever you need is at pimpinandeasy.com. Trust me. The value, the broker, the information, all right, and the execution. All right, so let's get into it, family. Let's get right into it. Appreciate everyone locking in. We was looking at Bitcoin. We've been in a sale, actually. It's pulling back. It was in a short, but our crypto expert called out a buy in the signals chat. He called out a buy. I can't even lie. He called out a buy in the signals chat right here. This is the buy he called out. I actually called out a sell. It was contradicting. Don't like when we do that, but hey, it is what it is. My thoughts are my thoughts, your thoughts are your thoughts. So what we're gonna do is we just gonna recap the week real quick. We started on the 11th. Let's take it back to the 11th. All right. So here on the 11th, we started off with a UCAD short, right around this area. All right. So let's see what that actually looked like. All right. So let's go to UCAD real quick. UCAD short. All right, we got a good drop right there on the UCAD. So that looked like positive gains. Let me see. We had a EU buy that went crazy. All right. We had a CJ sell. All right, we hit our profit on CJ, then it turned around on us. EG was good for us. ACAD was good for us. Those EG and ACAD buys was great. We made some money on XAU. We called out this GU buy here, which was pretty phenomenal. This GU buy. All right, so let's go to the GU buy. We bought right off our zone. Boom, hit our sell zone, and we sold back down. That was pretty phenomenal, to be honest. All right, so we had some buy limits on gold. Right. It's pretty amazing week. I can't lie, pretty amazing week. Cookie went crazy as usual. Right? She went bananas. Here's some markups, man. You know, this is pretty much every week in this chat. You know what I'm saying? I can't really lie, man. I don't want to sound cocky or anything, but the community we're in is phenomenal. Listen, we do hit stop losses. Don't get me wrong. Look, stop got hit right there. Right? We have weekly challenges. It's just pretty lit, man. Let me just say that. It's pretty lit. So let's just go through these pairs really quick so you guys can go about your day. All right, so ACAD, I love this pair. This is my go-to, my bread and butter. It doesn't move too heavy until it decides to move, right? So we was calling out buys all week. So let's go to the weekly. As you can see, we in profit. We've been calling out buys all week. This is a beautiful situation. As you can see, it looks like a break and retest here. Want to see this thing get all the way bullish to the top with this trend line. I'm gonna show you guys this trend line. See this trend line here? I want price to come tap up here, right? I want price to come up here. So that's what we've been looking at. Price is totally respecting this zone here, right? I think we're gonna get a lower high here. And then we're gonna continue this momentum up to the upside, all right? You know, we still have 11 more days left in this monthly candle. What I want to see is I want to see price come up here. I want to see it come off this zone here, which would be phenomenal. Let's do some recycling real quick. Right about there. I want price to come off this box. That's what we're looking for price to get to. So this monthly closes in 11 days. All right, this daily looks really nice as well. But I think we can find an entry off this 4 hour. Okay. I was looking at it and I like it. I like this 4 hours on here. I think we can take this 4 hour long right up in here. You can get an entry off there and take this bad boy up top here. I would love to see it come to this zone. That's the zone we're waiting to sell. But I want to see it come up to that zone, see if we can break this level here this week. That would be nice. This is a play that I would definitely like. We want to see this get bullish. It's a buy zone here. No. It's a buy zone here. Let's bulk that up a little bit. Love to see price bounce off that area. Let's see what actual price. Let's get a price label. Somewhere in this area here. Should say 900. That's our buy zone. All right, so I do like this. I'm not gonna lie. I do like this right here. Let's see if we can clone this real quick. This will be our stop below the previous low. So we'll just say let's see what 700 look like. Let's go 750. All right, I like that. All right, so these are our take profit zones here. Maybe 9. We go 9, then we go 200. 9, 200. Let me take this down to 5. I like that. Send this out. Send this to the chat real quick. We're gonna go ahead and we're gonna run through the rest of these pairs. It's just my baby, you know what I'm saying? AUD cat. We got a great relationship. All right, cool. Okay, so CJ, man, I've been waiting on this sale. It made a new high. This weekly close super bullish, right? So I definitely want to see price just tank. I know that sounds crazy, but I want to see it just tank. I do. I really do. This we want to see, family. I want to see price tank. I want to see it tank, man. ACAD is at a new high. Usually when you get new highs, it gets bearish, right? So this was a high. What happened? It sold, kind of retested it, made lower highs, and then it tanked. Tanked all the way down to this structure here. So I want to see the same thing. Even when this was the high, it tanked. Came made a high, kind of touched, lower high, boom. Now we got a higher high. So I definitely want to see this zone get hit here. Come make this head and shoulders. And I think we can potentially get some momentum to the upside. This is CCAD. We're looking for shorts on CJ, excuse me. This is CJ. We're looking for shorts on CJ. Make sure you guys keep an eye on CJ for shorts. This is our prediction here for CAD JPY. Let's go ahead and send that to the chat. CAD JPY. All right. All right, so let's move on to the next pair, EG. Now we buying EG. We've been buying EG. All right, and EG is making lower highs. As you see, it has not closed below this green zone on this weekly time frame. And that was our, our base. This was our previous low. This is our support level here, family. So what we want to do is we want to look for buys, see if we can take it back up top here. We are currently in a buy. It's a beautiful thing. All right, so we're waiting on this zone here. All right. So what we want to see is we want to see price. Let me get this out of the way. We want to see price. We got an alert here. This on an alert? No, not like that. All right, so what we want to do is we want to see price bounce off this zone here. This is the zone we're looking for buys in. So we're going to break this down. All right, our stop here. We're going to find out where that's going to go. But right now, we're going to look for buys. Let's go down to the 6 hour. All right, so we do have this zone here. This zone here has been respecting. All right, so we need to break that in order to get like confirmation for a new high. You know what I'm saying? Confirmation of bullish momentum. So we don't have anything just yet, but we do have this huge imbalance on that we marked up on the daily. It was an order block, right? It was a bullish engulfing zone in a order block. This is an order block, bullish engulfing zone. We want to see price dig up in here somewhere. This is a nice area, this green line here. So we just gonna keep busting it down to a smaller time. Now look what we found here. It's a nice order block here. Now this would be the perfect zone to buy. But guess what, family? I don't know if price coming back down there or not. I really don't know, but it would be nice. It would be nice. We put our stop at like 900. All right. We put our stop at like 900. Okay, our entry price would be right about, the numbers got to make sense for me, excuse me. 525. Let's go 28. All right, that will be our entry price. And it's here will be our first take profit. Let's see how many pips we can get out of that. Going from here, yeah, that's 20 pips. Cool. Let's go with 252. I like that number. All right. Next, take profits on. I like these two. See how this is making sense? 82. Yes, sir. So that would be ideal. That would be nice. But I don't know if price coming back down there, to be honest. I would love for it to. And that looks something like this. This is what we would like to see, family. That would be nice. See if we can get something like that. Yeah. So let's throw this in the chat as well. This is Euro GBP. All right. Let's see what else we got going on. US 30. Oh, that sale was phenomenal. Stop playing with us. Let's go back to the chat real quick. Let's just go see when we called out that short. This is on the 1 hour. Hit our zone. This is what we was looking for price to do on the 1 hour. This was on the 15th. All right, so this was on Saturday, early Friday morning, I think. Early Thursday morning. This was Thursday, 9:30 a.m. Oh, no, that's cat. Yeah, this was Thursday at 11 a.m. All right, so Thursday, 11 a.m. on the 1 hour, we was looking for the short. Let's go to the 1 hour. Can't make this up. Look how beautiful that is. And we still running. So it's 2,000 pips. Stop it. Now, what we want to do is probably catch a sale off of here. And get the continuation. That would be nice. That will be nice right there. See if we can catch that again. You feel me? That would be nice right there. We can catch that. Let's go ahead and take this picture. Let's clone this stuff. Let's just move it over. They know what it is. Stop playing with us. You know what? US 30, baby. Smacked the 2,000 pips on that. I actually took profit at like 1K, 1,000 pips. So it was a beautiful situation. US 30. 2K pips and running. Yep. Yep. That's our new entry. We're looking for a second sales zone there. US Mexico. It's not in our zone yet, but it's in our bubble. It's in our bubble off this. We're looking for this head and shoulders, but to be honest, I think it's gonna push down a little bit more. But it's in a nice area, I can't lie. This is what we're looking for a price to do. We want to see it shoot back up. That buy was crazy though. We missed that buy, but it was still crazy buy. All right, so our entry will more than likely be about right here. This is on an alert right there. So we're waiting on price to get a little bit more bearish in this bubble. When we get down to this green line, we're gonna buy it back up. XAUUSD. This is our sales on. We're selling here. Let me show you what we got marked up. I think it's another chart. There it is. So that's what you want to see right here. These are our sell zones, our buy zone. So keep an eye on this. We're looking for buys off this zone here. We're looking for buys off this zone here. Right here. Take it back up top. Right about there. And then we're going to short this thing. Short this thing all the way back down to here. That's what we want to see, man. That's what we want to see. Now let's see if we can find something in this zone right here. On the 1 hour. Oh, perfect. Got our entry. Right there. So we look for buys around 2002. 2002. Take it back up top. And then we're going to take it back down. Take that up. So at the end of the day, we want to see something like, let me pull this one over. So this is our buys on here. So we basically want to see if we want to see this thing get a little bit bullish this week and then come back down. So we want to see this activate, right? We want to see price come activate us, come back up to this zone, and then do a drizzy. That's what we want to see play out there. These are our thoughts on gold. Our thoughts on gold right here. I do like this play. And we'll buy it off that zone. Yeah, I like that. I ain't like that one. I like that one. Okay, what else we got? What else we got? What else we got? I think that's pretty much it, man. That's pretty much it for now. If you guys want access to the community, it's absolutely free. Hit the link below so you can get locked in. All right. It's absolutely free. The Pimpin' Ain't Easy chat is absolutely free. If you want more access, just go ahead, comment access below, and then we'll get you guys acclimated. Okay. And if this is something you want to have more questions about, just hit your boy, man. DM me or whatever the case may be. Hit any link below or just simply comment below and we'll get up with you. But at the end of the day, make sure you go to pimpinainteasy.com. free value. All right. Lock in with the best broker in the game, and take advantage of all this free value we got from last year. Ended the year with a bang with that boot camp. And also, family, don't forget about the new traphouse.com. Everything is free at the new Trap House, man. It's lit. Everything is free. You got so much value on this. Make sure y'all lock in, man. Free books, free education, free wealth information, free credit masterclass, free wealth library, and many more free things, family. So make sure you lock in there. Make sure you go to the YouTube page and subscribe, family. Because let me tell you something. Everything is absolutely free. We're giving away free value. Only way you can lose is if you quit. So make sure you keep going. See you at the top from the top, family. Peace and love.